Welcome back to AK Cars Reviews, and today, we're diving deep into one of the most breathtaking supercars coming out of Maranello, the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS. This car is not just a machine, it's a statement, a symphony of Italian craftsmanship, speed, and soul. Ferrari has taken everything we love about the 812, super fast and refined, it into an open-top masterpiece that promises both drama and driving, pleasure in equal measure. So, let's take a closer look at what makes the 2026 812 GTS such a special machine. From its stunning exterior design to its luxurious interior, its raw performance, and of course its price tag. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS continues Ferrari's obsession with perfect proportions and aerodynamic efficiency. From the first glance, it's instantly recognizable as a Ferrari. Low, wide and muscular yet incredibly elegant. The sculpted front end features a redesigned bumper with larger air intakes to improve cooling and airflow. The signature long hood stretches forward, housing the mighty V12 engine underneath, while the sleek LED headlights blend seamlessly into the aggressive fenders. Along the sides, you'll notice sharper character lines that guide air toward the rear, improving downforce and stability at high speeds. What truly sets the GTS apart, though, is its retractable hardtop roof. Ferrari's engineers have managed to integrate the mechanism so perfectly that, with the roof up, it looks just as sleek and purposeful as the coupe version. With a press of a button, the roof folds neatly into the rear deck in about 14 seconds, even while you're driving at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Once open, you're treated to a pure open-air driving experience that connects you to the sound and sensation of that V12 engine like nothing else. At the rear, the design is simply mesmerizing. The quad taillights, a Ferrari trademark, are now more three-dimensional, giving the car a futuristic look. The rear diffuser has been reworked for better aerodynamic efficiency, and the large quad exhaust tips complete the aggressive stance. The 812 GTS rides on newly designed forged alloy wheels that not only look stunning but also help reduce unsprung weight, contributing to sharper handling. Every curve, vent, and contour has a purpose. It's not just about beauty, it's about performance that's sculpted into the body. Moving to the interior, Ferrari has once again blended luxury with a race-inspired atmosphere. The cockpit of the 2026 812 GTS wraps around the driver, immersing you in a world of carbon fiber, leather, and Alcantara. The craftsmanship here is absolutely first class, from the hand-stitched seats to the tactile metal switches on the dash. The layout is driver-focused, with the digital instrument cluster giving you all the information you need in real time. Ferrari has refined the user interface, offering a larger central screen and improved connectivity, yet keeping physical buttons for essential functions so the driver stays focused. The steering wheel is a masterpiece on its own, featuring the signature Manettino dial that allows you to switch between driving modes, from comfort to sport, race, and even full traction off mode for track enthusiasts. You'll also find integrated controls for the indicators, lights, and wipers, a very Ferrari touch that keeps your hands always on the wheel. The seats are both supportive and comfortable, making long drives surprisingly pleasant for such a performance-oriented car. There's even a decent amount of space behind the seats for luggage, making the 812 GTS one of the few supercars that you can actually take on a weekend getaway. Now let's talk performance, the heart of what makes a Ferrari a Ferrari. Under that beautifully sculpted hood sits a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces an astonishing 819 horsepower and around 530 pound-feet of torque. Yes, you heard that right. No turbos, no hybrid assistance, just pure old-school, high-revving Ferrari power. The engine screams all the way to 9,500 RPM, delivering one of the most emotional sounds ever produced by an internal combustion engine. Ferrari engineers have managed to fine-tune the exhaust system to make sure that, whether the roof is up or down, you get that spine-tingling soundtrack that only a V12 Ferrari can offer. Power is sent to the rear wheels, through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that shifts lightning fast, delivering instant response whether you're cruising through the city or tearing down a racetrack. The 812 GTS rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.8 seconds and can reach a top speed north of 211 miles per hour. That's hypercar territory, yet the GTS manages to stay approachable and balanced, thanks to its advanced chassis, control systems, and rear-wheel steering. The car feels agile and precise, giving you total confidence behind the wheel. Ferrari has also improved the suspension and electronic stability systems to make the 2026 model more comfortable and predictable in everyday driving. The magnetic ride control adjusts damping in real time, keeping the car composed even on rough roads. With the roof down, the car feels even more alive. The sound, the sensation, and the rush of wind all come together to create a driving experience that's simply unforgettable. When it comes to price, exclusivity is key. The 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS is expected to start around $430,000, but with options, customizations, and Ferrari's endless personalization program, many owners will easily push that figure well beyond $500,000. But for that price, you're not just buying a car, you're buying an experience, a piece of automotive art that represents the very peak of Ferrari's engineering and design capabilities. In conclusion, the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS is a masterpiece of performance, beauty, and emotion. It's a car that celebrates the purest form of driving, with no hybrid systems or electric assistance, just the raw power of a naturally aspirated V12. It's elegant yet wild, refined yet untamed. Whether you're a collector, a driving enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates automotive perfection, the 812 GTS delivers something truly extraordinary. This isn't just a convertible version of the 812, it's a Ferrari that lets you feel the wind, hear the symphony, and experience freedom in its purest form. That's all for today's review of the 2026 Ferrari 812 GTS. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews right here on AK Cars Reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.